We love sharing good news, so when someone says something great about us and experiences our 5-star service, well, we have to share it. Here's what they had to say. It never gets old when someone posts these types of experiences online. We take great pride in knowing everyone is happy. It motivates us to continue working hard at providing the best possible service. Find out why everyone values their experience with us so much. They keep coming back over and over again. We're proud to say we've earned our glowing reviews one at a time. Simply call the number on your screen and contact us today to get started. We look forward to working with you, and thanks for watching.